Well, welcome to this product demonstration video in which we're going to show you and demonstrate the new super ultra or super sensitive 20 nanogram cannabis urine dip tests from Alltest. This is the latest lowest sensitive cannabis detection in urine that we've introduced into the UK market. You can see there the THC 20 indicates the 20 nanograms per mil. They are labelled ultra, and so are the 25 nanograms. To differentiate the two sensitivities, we are referring to this as the super sensitive 20 nanogram test on the website. The test strip format is identical to the other Alltest test strips in our catalogue. Inside the foil pouch there is a THC labelled test strip. Handle end has the drug abbreviation. Small pouch of desiccant to keep the test strip absolutely dry during passage and transit to you. And then this is the dip end with the wavy lines indicating where the fluid goes, and the maximum dip line indicated by that straight line and the max sign. To start running the test when you're ready, simply dip the test to just below the maximum dip line for between 5 and 15 seconds. And what you'll see happening, if I bring that into frame, is fluid starting to absorb and run up that midsection of the test strip, the flattened central section where the results will be deterred. Now after 15 seconds you can remove the test strip from the sample and lay it flat on a non-absorbent surface, and at this stage start your timer and you will read the results at between 5 and 10 minutes. So we're going to stop the video and restart filming at that time to show you the results. Well, at 5 minutes you can clearly see that we've got both a test line and a control line and a partial test line showing on this test strip. Now this is quite normal for ultra sensitive tests, but any test line forming in the presence of a control line must be interpreted as a clear negative result. So this test sample does not contain any cannabis or its metabolites at or above 20 nanograms per mil. Now, if I leave this test for a further 5 minutes to 10 minutes, we will see probable further development and strengthening of that test line. But the correct result, as soon as you've got a test line showing in the presence of a control line, can be interpreted early. If there was no test line showing, you would need to wait for the full 10 minutes development time before interpreting the absence of a test line as a positive indicator of cannabis at 20 nanograms or above. So a nice simple dip test takes 5 minutes for most negative results to be read, 10 minutes for a positive result to be absolutely certain. All positive results should be confirmed using a laboratory accredited service to find out what's causing the positive test result, and this test screens right the way down to 20 nanograms compared to a standard ultra at 25 and an industry standard cannabis test strip at 50 nanograms. So a good deal more sensitive than the standard cutoffs. Thanks for watching.